Okay, ready?
Go driving, guys.
Left turn.
Left turn, quick. Right turn.
Stop.
Stop.
Whoa.
We got on the truck.
Are you okay?
Yes.
Kim, what were you doing?
I know.
What were you driving?
Driving.
Driving which car?
Blue car.
Blue car?
Let's drive it again, Eunice.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna step on the gas. We're gonna go really fast.
No, let's
You
not go.
better hold on.
Let's not go very fast.
Okay.
You wanna go slow?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Just step on it a little bit. Put.
Put.
We're kind of moving. Put.
Honk, hurry up.
Oh no, Kaylin, no one's honking at us. Put. Hey, Kaylin, look, that turtle's passing by us. Bye, Mr. Turtle. Going
Bye.
faster. Should we go
You gotta hurry up.
faster?
You gotta hurry up.